In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up a Fry satellite miner. I just got this one in today, so I will show you the simple process of setting it up and earning daily passive income. But before I do, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump straight into it. So the process of setting up your Fry satellite miner is very simple. I'm about to show you exactly how it's done. First, we're gonna take out all the stuff out of the package. Here it is. Check it out. This is the satellite miner, and this is the bandwidth miner from previous videos. As you can see, it is on and making me some money. All right, let's take everything out, and that is pretty much it. All right, so the process is very simple. We are going to hook up this. This is pretty much the power supplies. So this power supplies is going to hook up into this port right here. So I will simply plug it in. And then the remainder part is simply going to go into the power. All right, that's the first part. The second part is hooking up the HDMI cable. Obviously it goes right here, and then it will go into our internet unit. Now I have the HDMI cable out, and we're simply going to plug it in. Once the HDMI cable is plugged into the satellite miner, we're simply going to plug it up into our internet unit. Also very simple, just plug and go. And then the final part that gets plugged in is this little GPS antenna. Also very simple, it just goes into one of these slots right here. Alright, so I have just hooked up the antenna. As you can see, it simply plugs in, and then you can place it wherever. Mine is close to the window simply because I have a bunch of units right here. I have the bandwidth miner, the satellite miner, I have the H&T helium miner, and a couple of other things. So that is how easy it is to set up your satellite bandwidth miner so you can start mining Fry tokens. As you can see, the light right here is turned on. Before you can start mining, you simply have to press the power button, and that's it. You're ready to go and you're ready to start mining. One other thing that you have to do is to create a wallet. The seed phrase does come with every single miner, so all you have to do is activate the wallet and start collecting your daily free tokens. These satellite miners, they make just over 82 Fry tokens every single day. The bandwidth miners, they make slightly more. I think 107 a day. So it all depends which one you want to get. I will also include the link for these miners in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And the final part is to set up your Algorand wallet. That way you can receive your Fry tokens. Every Fry miner comes with a seed phrase, just like the one in this envelope. And the process is very simple. And the wallet that I personally use is the Peta Algo wallet. This is one of the best Algorand wallets out there. The process is very simple. All you have to do is download the wallet, enter in your key phrase, and you'll be ready to go. Each wallet that comes with your satellite miner does have a little bit of Algorand in it. That is to pretty much allow the transactions to go through. Now I will add this wallet to my app. Obviously I cannot show you the seed phrase, but I will show you how it looks like after it is added. So you're simply going to press the plus sign. Once you press the plus sign, it will give you two options. And the option that you want to select is I already have an account. Then it will bring you to this page where you're simply going to select recover an account using your 25-word seed phrase. Then we are simply going to press recover an Algorand account on the very bottom, and this is where we are going to enter in those very important words. I will enter it in and we will continue. So now the wallet is fully active and it is ready to start receiving some Fry tokens. So that is how simple and easy it is to set up a Fry satellite miner. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting a lot more videos showing you guys the progress and showing you guys how much profits I'm making with these miners. New update video probably coming this week as well, so I can show you the progress on the bandwidth miner. Stay tuned for that update and see you in the next video. Peace out.